You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the recovery email for your Gmail account. Open a web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the username and password of the Gmail account you want to update. On the main account dashboard, look for the security section on the left navigation panel and click on it. On the security page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Ways we can verify it's you. In this section, click on the option that says Recovery Email. You will see your current recovery email address displayed. To change it, click on the pencil edit icon next to the address. A new field will appear. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use for recovery. Make sure this is an active email account that you have access to. After entering the new address, click the Save button. Google will now send a verification email to this new recovery address. Open that email and click the verification link inside to confirm and activate it. Once verified, this new email will be used for all critical account recovery steps, like resetting your password if you get locked out. You can always return to this page to update it again if needed. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.